Hi guys, today I am unboxing the RADO Switzerland and I have purchased from World of Watches, and today I will unbox RADO. And this is what you get here, the RADO Switzerland. And today I am unboxing the RADO watch. As you can see here, the written is RADO Switzerland, and this is what we get inside. And before opening the box, before viewing the watch, we can see the paperwork what they have given. And this is the guarantee card we have purchased from Mysore, World of Watches, Arsuro. And they have given the date on what date I have purchased, and this is the card. Complete manual availability, 3-tone position, setting the time. This is just a normal thing they have given, what they have given in the RADO. And next is the paperwork, where we have got the instruction manual, and this is the instruction manual. In English, where I am opening in the middle of the page. What's the temperature you need? What is the minimum temperature you want to keep your watch within? And this is the cloth where it has written the RADO here, where it uses to wipe your watch or clean your watch to give a shine. I'm keeping aside. Let's open the watch now. And this is what you get, the box. Inside the box you will open now, and this is the watch. Yeah, this is the watch. It's quite good, the color is good, and this is multi-tone color with a silver and gold finish. And this is the package we got from RADO. Let me show you the complete watch here. And this is the watch. See the quality of the watch. See, it's written RADO here. This is the number, and here you can see it's written the original. There are a lot of RADO watches which is fake, and this is the original one. And another thing you can get to know which is how the original is, you can see a reflection. You can see a reflection of the serial number, where you can see the serial number here, and the same thing you can see the reflection where I'm not able to see the proper C. You can see the reflection of the serial number, which is crafted on the chain of the RADO. And this is the RADO DIASTAR. It's written clearly DIASTAR. And this is all the American diamonds. And this is the QR code. By scanning the QR code, you can get it, the details of this watch. And here it is written as the RADO. You can see RADO. And here you can see the logo and the tuner. So this is the logo. And the chain. And it's a multi-tone chain color. It's quite good and it's quite classy. And here you can remember the olden days, and this RADO is